We work really hard to please everyone, and we just received some fantastic feedback from a happy reviewer telling us what a great job we did. And now we're happy to share it with you. And here's our latest rave online review. Our staff works hard to deliver top quality service and optimal value. It's just one more bit of evidence that we're on the right track with our company-wide emphasis on quality and satisfaction. Great reviews aside, we enjoy earning these from everyone, so we want to show you how our extensive experience and superior service can help you. If we can help you or the people you care about, don't hesitate to call the number on your screen. Thank you for spending a bit of time with us. We hope to see you again soon.